The process starts with, obviously, we're a sand molding facility, so they pour molten metal into sand molds. There are risers that come off of the metal, extra metal that they pour to ensure that there's enough metal on the part. The next step in that process is cutting them big risers off. After that, those riser pads are still on the metal, and we will take hand grinders in and grind that metal down flush to a part.
There's always going to be a place for hand grinders here at Carondelet, and there will never be the level of consistency in castings that can be completely machined. The mouse unit is a CNC grinder. It's able to help us both keep consistent quality of castings through consistent net shape of castings. It's also able to grind riser pads and other materials off significantly faster than can be done by hand. Much easier on the operators. What we're trying to do is we're trying to minimize the work on the human operators.
We work on some military parts, so it's fun to sit and think about what those parts are going to do down the road, where those parts are going to end up.
Grinding is a great way to get started with the company. You learn the basics of how to use the basic tools, how to operate overhead cranes.
Guys with construction background, guys that work a lot with their hands tend to do a little better. But I've got guys that I've trained that come from a retail background that do absolutely just fine.
This is a great job. This place allows you to move up a lot in a lot of different areas.
I started as a grinder, then I learned to weld and became a welder. And then I wanted to learn even more, so I came over to the MetalTek to learn a little bit more about the metallurgy side of things.
I am a state licensed level 2 radiographer for MetalTek. I've been with the company for 16 years. I started as a grinder in the large aisle, and then I moved from there to radiography where I am now.
The health insurance is great, works out for me and my family very well. The tuition reimbursement benefits can't be beat. Any company that's willing to help you grow through their own company and send you to college to do so is definitely a good thing.